Hey y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome if you are new, or welcome back if you are an old friend. I had an idea to make a Flora-Lier for my covered porch. I had no need for an umbrella for my table, but I wanted my table to be zhuzhed up and dressed up a bit, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I went to Dollar Tree and I bought this beautiful planter for $5. I mixed up 50 pounds of concrete and I filled it. Now, this may seem like overkill, but we have some serious straight line winds and tornadoes in our area. However, if you live in an apartment with a balcony or in an area that does not have vicious wind activity, I would suggest putting garden pavers in the bottom of your planters and topping them with pool noodles or cardboard filler, anything that you might have on hand. But I did not want this to budge, and with past experience using concrete, I know that it does not. I had an umbrella that was faded and needed to be replaced, but the bottom half of the pole was still in great shape. My table is small and lightweight, and I can easily lift it up and over the pole should I need to, but if your table is larger or heavier, I would suggest cutting a piece of PVC pipe first and inserting it into the concrete so that you can maneuver your pole in and out of the concrete easily. But while my concrete is setting, I'm going to take a hanging plant hanger from the Dollar Tree and use E6000 and hot glue around the inside of the bottom to glue a little succulent plant pot to the bottom of the hanger and then place it over the pole. The hot glue is for a right now hold, and the E6000 is for a long-term hold. I did make sure that I held it into place until my hot glue had cured. You can either use hot glue or floral wire or both to secure a piece of floral foam to the hanging basket, and then start arranging the florals or the greenery of your choice. While you're here, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Hit the like button. Maybe even give this video a hype. I'm always doing something, and whatever I do, I share with my friends. When my concrete had set, I used 3 little bags of the white rocks from the Dollar Tree to cover the concrete. And I finished my table off with a patio table candelabra that I purchased at Bailey's last fall for $9.99. But instead of candles, I filled the candle holders with more Dollar Tree river rock and artificial succulents. FYI, Michael's has had a huge sale this spring on small faux plants, and I was able to snag them for 99 cents a piece. This is unconventional, a little different, but I really like it. I can change out the florals from spring to fall because our weather permits us to access our outdoor area from March to October. This gives me a lot of flexibility, and I didn't spend a lot of money to create this unique Flora-Lier. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.